you think I was bluffing when I told you I was going to give you 10 million naira? Come on, I wasn't joking.
Mari, why are you doing this? Huh? What if my wife finds out?
Your wife? Who's your wife? Jennifer. Jennifer. Oh. Come on, you shouldn't be bringing up your wife in any conversation that we're having. But do you want me to tell you how your wife has been sleeping around with numerous men, sugar daddies here and there? Do you want me to tell you? She has been dating.
Oh, Amanda.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you such an intruder, Amanda?
Are you shocked to see me? Oh, nice. I actually came, you know what? I'm going to tell Jennifer.
Please. Keep my wife off this, okay? Please. Okay?
Oh, why are you begging her? No, why are you begging her? No, that's all. What did you know you want to say?
Mr. Chike, I don't have any issue with you. But I need to clear my name from the allegation your wife labeled on me for doing nothing. I am innocent. Someone has been feeding your wife with a lot of information. The problem here is we need to find out who the person that informed your wife that I, Amanda, was here in your office that very day. And the person is no other than this fool, this Alekasek 7-Up, this chameleon sitting down here wearing pink. Forget she's wearing pink. Her heart is very dark. You are a devil. I know you're the one giving Jennifer all the information she has been getting, right?
Maureen?
Don't tell me you're about to buy this rubbish that she just spilled right now. No, don't tell me you're listening to this frustrated fool that couldn't even find herself a boyfriend, not to talk of getting herself a man to marry. This frustrated, demented idiot. Are you going to believe this fool? Amanda, what is your problem? I want to get it. What is your problem with me? Because the fact is, I have taken over. I am in charge. Chike is mine, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about this.
Oh.
I know what is eating you up. But go and nurse yourself somewhere else. You don't need to bring your frustration into this office. This is an office for crying out loud. What is it?
Mommy, look at the way you're sweating like Christmas goat. Jennifer must hear this. And she will know who the real husband snatcher is.
Amanda, you don't need to tell Jennifer this, okay? You don't need to say it.
She has no proof. Allow her. What do you have to say?
Okay.
There is no proof.
Till then, we shall see.
Oh, please get out.
Amanda!
We shall see.
Amanda!
Allow her.
Amanda!
What is it? What is it? Why are you calling Amanda while I'm here? What is it?
Yes, Amanda, what is it? Here you are to see what exactly. You dumb. My friend, take your tacky self out of my phone.
I can see you still believe I'm dating your friend.
Well, if you're not dating or sleeping with my friend, why don't you me wrong. You proved me wrong. Serial cheat. You cheated. Cheated, married. A disgusting ghost. Cheat for you.
₦10 million. She's so serious about this. Hello.
So wait, did you see the money I sent to you?
Why are you doing this? Why?
Come on, it's nothing, okay? More will still come. I just need you to relax. Relax and be with me. Like I told you, your wife is never gonna find out about us. Just relax. Meanwhile, can I ask you for a favor? So, I want us to go on a date.
What date are you talking about?
You know, just to get to spend some time with my baby. Please.
Please, I don't want this, okay? I just don't want this.
Why are you cutting the phone?
Hello? Was that not Jennifer's voice I heard?
Cut which phone?
But you just cut the phone now because you saw me coming in.
How do you mean cut?
I am
cut
very
which phone?
sure that... No, don't even tell me that. I am very sure that bitch just called you, right?
Jennifer, why are you looking for unnecessary trouble? What
Okay,
is
now I'm
it?
looking for necessary trouble.
Of course you
Let
are.
me have the phone.
Have which phone?
Let me have your phone.
Have my phone for what? Is it yours? It's called a mobile phone for a reason.
Okay, now I cannot touch your phone again.
I
I cannot touch your phone because you're sleeping with my stupid friend Amanda.
You're sleeping with your
No,
friend.
that's why I don't know.
I don't know why you like
That's
to
why
do
I cannot
so
touch your phone
I don't
anymore.
want to-
And I don't know you're going out because your conscience is dealing with you. But let me tell you something. You will be chilling with the sharks in that parlor when you go downstairs.
Let me see how you're going to reject 10 million naira. Oh, poor Jennifer. You know we had a plan. Of course we had a plan. We had a plan. You and I agreed that you were going to kill your husband. All of a sudden you think you are too smart. You want to play a smart one on me. But now, I am going to do all it takes to have a husband all to myself. All to myself. Hey, Alhaji. Alhaji. Sorry, you say what? She hasn't called? What do you mean she hasn't called? Alhaji, I sent the message. Yes, she received it. She was so happy. Like, I'm actually very surprised that she didn't call you. Why? That's an ungrateful character. Yeah. Okay, Alhaji, please. Calm down, okay? She's sure gonna call you. Once I drop this call now, I would speak to her. I'll speak senses into her. She'll call you, okay? Of course I know you love her. Mm. Of course, she loves you too. Okay, Alaji. Alright now. Yeah, I'll talk to her. No, sure, I will. Okay. Bye. Soon. Soon Alaji will come at her with everything he has. And I will just be the side girl smiling and laughing. Oh, come here, baby. Oh.
There is no one here, but I'm sure this is the place. Let me wait for the secretary. Please, just love me back. I love you so much. I love you with all my heart.
Mercy, will you stop this nonsense?
No, I can't. It's driving me crazy. The feelings I have for you is driving me crazy. I had to quit my job because of the love I have for you, and I'm here. Just step back.
I'll take your hands off me. Stand up, my friend.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, Lucy, how are you?
I'm fine. Mercy. Lucy.
Both of you know each other?
Yes, she's my friend. Mercy, please, can we see outside? What happened? Let's see outside, please. What are you doing here? I should be the one asking the question. The man is my boss, the one I told you I quit my job for. That's not true. This is the same man I've been telling you about. Lucy, please. You said this man, I sacrificed my job because of him, okay? So just check somewhere else, okay? Mercy, I didn't know it was the same man that I fell in love with at first sight. Please, let me have him. I said no. I love this man so much. I'm not going to leave him for you, okay? I beg. No spoil show for me. What are you even talking about? Don't try it. What are you talking about? If I want my standing here talking to you. Yeah? I came here to see Mr. Chike and not you. So please excuse me. Mercy, excuse me. You're not going anywhere. And you're no longer... I was here before you. I am no longer needed here, Mercy. How dare you? How dare you?
What is going on here? Who are you and what are you guys doing here?
Tell this idiot to leave this place this minute. Oh, you're a fool if you think I'll let you go in there. Oh, God. Mercy, leave my way. You can't stop me, okay? Get out of this.
What is going on here?
Sir, I only went to get food and I came here and I found both of them fighting here in our office.
I'm so sorry. But she started it first. She slapped me because I told her how much I love you. Oh, you're lying! She's lying.
Okay, listen to me. I want both of you to get out of my office premises, okay?
Don't do this to me. You know how much I love you and
I said get out!
Sorry, please. Do not do this.
You want me to drag you out? Get out! What a nuisance. Can you imagine? You have the effrontery to come to my office and start chipping like naked birds that are about to migrate.
In the shadow of night,
Get back to work.
Okay, sir.
they linger with all their might. Their eyes scan, searching for a friendly face, searching for a pure sweet mind, searching for a friendly face. You can call them desperate ladies. Their troubles with their heart on fire.
What is wrong with you? Why is he not taking
Chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, oh, yeah. With their heart on fire, with the heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a
Hey, stop.
Okay, please.
Stop it.
It's embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you? You're embarrassing yourself. Is it because of the 10 million? I'll refund you the 10 million.
No.
You're simple.
Just relax, please.
So it is true. No, so it is true. It is true that you are the one that been sleeping with my husband, not even Amanda. So it is true.
Where is that coming from? Are you
Are
okay?
you mad? Are you crazy?
Did you just slap me?
What girl?
Hey!
One more nonsense now.
I will talk.
Oh, you will talk.
I will talk.
Talk it.
I will talk it.
Talk it.
Yes, your wife has been putting poison in your food. I was wondering, why does she want to kill an innocent man like this? A good man at that. Why? Why?
I've always known that you're such an evil friend.
Have you not been poisoning him?
Ah!
Say it to
So
your
this
mouth.
was your plan.
Have you not been poisoning him?
Flash, I have not been putting poison in my husband's food.
You have.
I have been deceiving you.
He's a lie.
Because I know you are an evil friend.
He's a lie.
You're a demon.
You a demon.
I have not been
You a
poisoning my
murderer.
husband. Why would I kill a man that loves me so much?
Very soon you will drop dead though.
Oh.
Hold her.
Oh, really?
Hold her now.
So this is your plan. This is your plan. You are a very evil friend.
You are
See,
evil yourself.
My God will judge you.
You are evil
You think you
yourself.
can take my man away from me?
Yo, why do you want to kill this
test
man?
me to handle this man?
Why do you want to kill this
Do you
man?
think it's easy to handle a man with a coconut head?
Get out!
I'm
My
not
friend.
together. Don't you dare in your life tell me that are you sick at the
Hold
head?
your wife.
Are you
Oh,
mad?
calm
Hold
down.
your wife.
There's nothing wrong with you.
Calm down.
You're not talking to my husband.
Why your wife?
You're never talking to my husband. Why your wife to my husband? See,
Why your wife?
I will kill my husband.
I will kill the both of you. I will kill the both of you. I will kill them.
See.
Kai. Jennifer, I am going to so deal with you. Jennifer, you will regret this. No, it's a promise. You will regret this. Trust me. I don't bluff. Jennifer, you will regret this. I am going to get my pound of flesh. Hey. You mess with the wrong person. And as for you, Chike. Chike. Hey. By the time I am done with you both. Okay. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, Jennifer, you humiliated me. Jennifer, you.
No. You mean you did not tell anything before you left the house? Maybe he was held up by something on the road. Oh, just calm down. I believe he will come back. Nothing happened. My daughter, can you relax? Relax now. Oh, nothing will happen to him, I believe that so. Oh, He's safe. I will call you later, oh?
Looking like an Egyptian gay. What the hell are you doing in my house? I mean, it's the gods for me. The temerity. What are you doing in my house?
Are you surprised to see me?
Why should be after you?
Hold your greetings. Just hold your greetings and give me back the 10 million naira I gave to you.
What 10 million naira are you talking about, please?
Don't pretend that you do not know that I sent you money through your friend Maureen. 10 million naira!
What friend? Maureen.
Okay, I don't call him Maureen. I sent him his 10 million naira. What is it now? I told you that I am tired of shielding you. I am tired of protecting you. If you know what is best for you, give him his 10 million naira in peace.
You know what, Maureen? I have been trying so hard to just endure your disgusting attitude because I know you're a daughter of 1,000 fathers. Oh, but I swear, if you do not give Chief his money right now, you will not like me. Are you crazy?
Maureen. Chief, can you imagine?
Maureen.
Tender. See, make I tell you, if you don't chop that money, you go vomit am this minute. You go vomit am this minute. Can you imagine? The money I sent to you, 10 million naira that I sent to you.
Maureen, are you sure? You're a part of a tongue
Maureen. Send it back.
You're a part of a tongue. That's what you are. You're a part by mistake. Are you crazy?
Chief, arrest her.
You're a part of a tongue condom. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
John.
What's
What's going on here?
Let's go.
Mother, do you know him?
He's your father.
What?
My daughter?
Yes.
Is this some kind of an expensive cocktail joke or what? What kind of joke is this, mother?
It's not a joke. He's your father.
Chief is your...
Oh my goodness. Jennifer. Jennifer!
Mother, you told me my father was dead long time ago, as at 1980 basis. He can't be my father, right?
Yes, I lied to you.
I did. She's serious, sir.
Chief is your father.
Jennifer, listen to me. Your father left us. Yes. He joined politics. Changed his name, changed his tribe, changed his religion. Everything about him. So I had no choice.
Yes, I did. That was because my religion was hindering me of getting a crucial position in the party and also in the world as a whole. I had to change my name.
I don't even want to believe that this is happening to me. Because I can't even see any resemblance at all. Is it the eyes, the nose? Mother, are you sure this is my father? You need to look at him properly.
He's your father. Will I lie to you? He's your father.
Chico, you need to collect your money first. Let's go. Take your money. Let's go. That's the most important thing.
Baby.
You're here. Carry your money.
Baby.
Oh my goodness. Thank God he's safe.
According to the kidnappers, she was the one that paid them to kidnap me.
What? Myself, Chief? Chief, you
shut
did?
up, I'm talking. You
talking to me?
And you better keep quiet because there are evidences.
No.
Officer!
This is pure allegation.
Officer!
Yeah. You are advised to remain silent for whatever you say right here. use against you in law.
Alaji, we have
Hello,
to
come on,
go.
come on. You there, come on. I come back. Hello.
Take her out of my house!
Look at what you
Take her
I
out.
have a lawyer. Go.
Take her out!
Tomorrow.
Take her,
Okay.
take
You are going to be my lawyer.
right?
We know what jealousy has done to
Take
you.
her.
Take that phone from her.
Yeah, give me the phone. Give me the phone.
You know what, Maureen? Did you
Move it.
investigate
Move it.
well?
Move it.
Make sure you lock her up for the rest of her life.
Move.
You should be dealing with in the zoo with the monkeys.
Go.
You barbaric bastard! Hey, pregnant dinosaur!
Oh my goodness.
Baby,
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, okay?
How
Oh
did
my
you hurt me?
goodness.
It's just by the grace of God I came back alive.
Now you're welcome.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome,
much.
sir.
What are you still waiting for?
Who is this?
I don't know, my mother just told me that he's my father.
Your father?
I don't understand.
But you told me your father is late.
That's what she told me to.
She was right. Yes, because I left them in pursuit of my political career.
Very nice. Very beautiful.
Searching for a friendly face. You can go there. Desperate ladies, share your troubles with their heart on fire. Chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, with their heart on fire, with the heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, fighting for love with their heart on fire. Heart is on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. They are desperate ladies, with their heart on fire. Chasing love, but it's a tight desire. This love is not yours. Why are you forcing it? This love is not yours. But desperation